Hello there, friends. Just a little quick check-in here. This project here, and I know you can't see much of it, that's okay. The video is going to be out here soon, but it's basically a cart to carry around some of these and store some of these green boxes. So it's going to be a roll-around mobile station that houses all of those boxes and has a nice but small work surface on the top. Everything you could think of that could go wrong went wrong. I mean, it could be worse, I'm sure. I could have cut my arm off or killed myself, but short of that, a lot of things have went wrong on this. Like today, I injured myself, and I'll show that to you in just a second, but basically I smashed my thumb. And I smashed my thumb good. It's not like a little smash and, you know, it smarted and afterward maybe I got a little mark on there or something. It was a solid smash like I've never had before. Alright, so thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry about the weird thumb injury to show you. That's my update for today, though. But be careful in your shop. Don't get in a spot where you're doing things halfway. Let me say it that way. Make sure you're being safe, take the extra time, and avoid stuff like this.